Hello guys, my name is Fiona and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can make your own red chili sauce at home and with the ingredients you already have. The ingredients are 5 very ripe tomatoes, 1 large onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 garlic cloves, 1 medium-sized ginger, 7 chilies and half a cup of cooking oil. Remove the sepal part of the tomato. There are 2 ways of chopping the tomatoes. The first way is to small dice the tomatoes. And the second way is to big chop the tomatoes. Whichever way you decide on, it will still work when blending. For the onions, chop them as well. Remove the stalks and calyxes from the chilies. The number of chilies should be more or less depending with how strong you want the chili sauce to be. Slice each chili into 2 or 3 sections depending on its size. Dice the garlic cloves. For the ginger, small dice it as well. They don't have to be perfect because the blender will crush it further. Here we have all the ingredients chopped and diced. Into the blender, add in the onions. Blend them for 3 seconds. Add in the garlic, chilies, and ginger and blend them for 3 seconds as well. Using a spoon, mix the ingredients to leave the one stuck at the bottom. Add in the tomatoes. Add 1.5 cups of water. Blend them for 1 minute, checking the consistency after every 15 or 20 seconds. This is the red consistency you should have. While on high heat, add in the cooking oil into the cooking pot. Switch off the gas when adding in the blended ingredients to avoid it catching fire or burning you. Then switch the gas on back to high heat. Mix the oil with the yet to be chili sauce till they are combined very well. Add in the salt and stir very well. Cover the pot with the lid and bring it to a boil. Occasionally stir it. Reduce the flame from high to medium and let it simmer for 10 minutes till you get a thick-like consistency that resembles porridge. Cook for an additional 2 minutes and switch off the gas. Let the chili sauce cool for 10 minutes, then you can use it. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment. Till my next video, bye.